Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the Beauty Protect products from BirchBox, so I will see you in the video. Alright, so I got, for part of the second half of my Black Friday sale, I got the Beauty Protect for BirchBox. It's their brand of hair care products, and I already owned, in fact, you know what? Okay, sorry. I already owned this one. Well, it used to have stuff in it. Now it doesn't. But it's this. And this is what the old one looked like. So you can see the designs all the way around. And it is got a different logo on it. And they're different like this is a trial size. This is a trial size. Different sizes. So this one is 2 fluid ounces. This one doesn't even say. I think it's like a fluid ounce or so. But they have this really lovely, like, kind of vanilla, lavendery, floral scent that's really light, and it leaves your hair smelling really pretty. But it's a really great detangler. I know the full size is like $23.50. I've been wanting to get it for like the last 2 years, but I never did, just because I don't even know why. I just never did. But I loved it so much. I wanted to try everything else when I saw that they had a complete line. So along with that, you get, and each one of them is going to say Protect, because that's just what they are. They're the Protect brand for BirchBox. So this one's Protect and Volume. It's a volumizing spray. So this one gets, let's see, it's non-greasy, weightless, thickening and volumizing mist that turns your good hair days into, turns your good hair days all the way up. With spritz of this hardworking multitasker, your strands will be touchably soft. You have body, long-lasting lift, shine. It doesn't have the sticky or like crunchy factor you would get from the normal like texturizing sprays, hairsprays, root lifters and stuff like that. I'm just gonna take the rest of these out of the bag just so I don't have to play with the bag. The bags are really nice. I have them for other things. I've used them in the shower so that way I don't get everything like all wet. This one here is their Protect oil, and it doesn't actually have a size on it. It's like super trial sampler size, but it's supposed to be applied to damp hair and style, or applied to dry hair to protect for the flyaways. I don't know exactly what it does. It didn't have like an info card or anything in the bag to say what everything is, what everything does. So when I do a review, I will look them up on their website and give a description of specifically for this or anything else that I don't know what they are supposed to actually do, because some products don't say what they claim they're supposed to be for. So the next ones we have is the matching shampoo and conditioner. All of these size bottles are 2 fluid ounces. Let's see, the conditioner, is with pearl powder, argan oil, and shea butter. And I've mentioned this before where I have an issue with shea butter. I have been trying different products. I don't know if I have a severe allergy or if it's only to certain products with that in it anymore. I used to have a really bad one when I was a kid. But I will be doing a review on the number 4 shampoo and conditioner I got from my first section of the Black Friday stuff, and we'll see how that went for me. Okay, let's see. This is supposed to get rid of your dull hair, give you super nutrition and shine. It is environmental and heat damage protectant. It locks in moisture. It gives you this glossy hair look. So, you know, like if you go like this with your hair, it's supposed to make it look shiny and stuff like that. Alright, this is the shampoo. This one also, let's see. It also has the pearl powder in it. It's also very hydrating. It has anti-frizz, anti-split ends, and stuff like that. It's supposed to also give you the bounce and shine like the conditioner is supposed to give you. So I'm very excited to try that. The last thing in the bag was their hair mask, the little treat, Beauty Protect treat. And this is supposed to be able to replace your normal conditioner once a week. You can use this for your hair. You just leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes. You rinse it. It's supposed to give you, you know, super moisturized hair. It doesn't say anything else. It just immediately jumps into a foreign language. So that, again, will be another reason why I look up on the website for everything. So with everything, you get a trial or travel size of all the products that I've seen listed on their website, and I think that was a pretty good pick for something I could have gotten. And so if you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. I've got to go. I need to change the battery.